Okay, so step 3 will be installing the proper amount of springs for your bed. Now we're putting together a queen size bed today, which will require 7 springs. If you're putting together a full size, you'll need 5 springs. If you're putting together a twin, you're going to need 3 springs. And if you're putting together a king, you're going to need 9 springs, which will fill up the lifting mechanism. So I have our springs here. And I'm just going to start with the center hole. So there are 9 springs. I'm going to start with the center hole. And I'm just going to loop the spring through like this. And then it will drop into the corresponding middle hole. And so I need 7 springs. So I'm just going to continue to work my way up. Put one above it. You may need to manipulate this arm to align it. And then I'll go below it. The cluster of springs, in whether it's the queen, which this is, full, or a twin, the cluster of springs should be near the center. So I'm just kind of working up, just letting that kind of settle down in. And then I'm working down. That way I know I'll have it right in the center. And now my last 2 springs will be in this 8th hole up here. Just move that arm until it locks in. And then our 7th spring will be right here. And I'll just lock that in. Now I'm just going to move this arm away to create a little bit of tension, which will hold all those springs in place. And now I'll go to the other sideboard and do the same thing on the other side.